Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we're going to practice how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. But first, let's look at our steps. The steps to change a mixed number to an improper fraction are to number 1, we're going to multiply the denominator by our whole number. Step number 2 is we're going to take that product and we're going to add the numerator to it. The sum that we get is going to be our new numerator. And number 3, we keep the denominator the same. So let's look at a few practice problems. For this first example, let's look at what we're doing when we change our mixed number to an improper fraction using a picture. So if I'm going to fill in 1 1/4, I'm going to need to fill in one whole and then 1 of the fourths in my second whole. And then after that, to look at our improper fraction, we're going to count how many fourths in total that we colored in. So I colored in 5/4. So you can see I colored in 1, 2, 3, 4/4 in the first hole, and then 1/4 in the second hole. That makes 5/4 total. So 1 1/4 as an improper fraction is 5/4. And now let's look at some examples using our steps. So let's look at this example using our steps. Step number 1 is to multiply our denominator by the whole number. So my denominator is 4. I'm going to multiply the 4 in my denominator times the whole number 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. My next step is to take that product and add it to my numerator. So 4 plus the 1 that is my numerator. 4 plus 1 is 5. And that 5, that sum, is my new numerator. And then I keep the denominator the same. So 4 stays my denominator. So 1 1/4 equals 5/4. So now I have 3 2/5, and I'm going to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. And I'm going to do it going through my steps again. So I'm going to take that denominator of 5 and I'm going to multiply it by my whole number of 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then I'm going to take this product and I add the numerator to my product. So 2 is my numerator. So now I have 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. And this sum, the 17, becomes my new numerator. My denominator stays the same, so my denominator stays 5. So 3 2/5 equals 17/15. So on each problem, you're just going to run through the same steps every time. So we have 2 5/6, and that first step is to multiply our denominator by our whole number. So 6 times 2 is 12. And to that product, then we add our numerator. So now we have 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. And this sum is our new numerator. So 17 is our new numerator, and we keep the denominator the same. So our denominator stays 6. So 2 5/6 equals 17/6. So for one final example, we have 4 2/3 that we're going to turn it into an improper fraction by taking our denominator of 3 and multiplying it by our whole number 4. So we have 3 times 4, which is 12. We take this product and we add our numerator to it. Our numerator is 2. So we have 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. The 14 becomes our new numerator, and our denominator of our improper fraction is the same as the denominator in our mixed number, so our denominator is 3. So 4 2/3 equals 14/3. Thank you for joining us. Be sure you like this video and subscribe for more videos by Ziva Math.